Hey Shirley, this goes out to you. To take one word you said, you put it in your bed, you rest your tiny head on your pillow. You wonder where you're going next, you got your head pushed to my chest, and now you're hoping that someone lets you in. Well, sure I'll let you in. You know I'll let you in. Oh, tell Shirley, yeah. So don't let anyone scare you. You know that I'll protect you always. Now through the thick and thin, until the end, you better watch it. You know you don't cross it, because I'm always here for you, and I'll be here for you. I know how it feels. Believe me, I've been there, and I know what it feels like. Tell me, Shirley. That's when the ocean for you, the ocean for you. Whoa, Shirley. That's when the ocean for you, the ocean for you. Whoa, Shirley. Oh, you darling. Now it's gonna get harder, and it's gonna burn brighter, and it's gonna feel softer each and every day. So let me say that I love you. You're all I've ever wanted, all I've ever dreamed of to come. And yes, you did come. I want you so bad. Do you feel it too? You know I'm so in love with you, and I want you so much. I need you so much. I need your touch. And I swim the ocean for you, the ocean for you. Oh, Shirley. And I swim the ocean for you, the ocean for you. Whoa, Shirley. I swim the ocean for you, the ocean for you. Whoa, Shirley. Now swim the ocean for you, the ocean for you. Whoa, Shirley. Never, ever let me in. Let me in. And you never, ever let me in. Never, ever let me in. Let me in. And you never, ever let me in. Thank you. This is my song, you Shirley. I love you.
She does. She really loves him. Well, I mean, he loves her. But I'm sure she loves him too.
Bye. Peace out.